Alright, so this is my outfit. Yeah, no, this is not happening. So I'm supposed to just like bend over like this? What? Hey, ding dongs. So I don't like this angle. Alright, so I've ordered from ThredUP before and it's just a great experience. But right now I did 2 boxes. This is the first box. I don't even remember what I've ordered, to be honest. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. And let's just go over the stuff that I got, and I'll do a try on too. But let's just take a look and see, like, if you're ever wondering about ordering from ThredUP, they package the things that you order, the clothes, very nicely. Everything's folded with tissue paper. And sorry, my voice sounds like crap, but is this what I ordered? I ordered this like 2 weeks ago maybe. And what the hell is this? This is blue. I thought this was gonna be black and white. I got this number. Ooh, it's really red. I don't know. We'll see how that looks. I've really been like trying to build my wardrobe, and I'm really into like fall winter vibes. Fall winter vibes because it's fall and winter, duh. No, but I'm really like into the neutrals, the blacks, the lace, I really wanted a lace like sheer top and black. Like I'm really into black right now. This is so cute. I hope it looks nice on. But when I saw it, I was like, ooh, this is the one. I love a black dress, and this is like, it's kind of lacy. I'm really into like boho stuff. I hope you guys can see because I feel like it looks like crap. What we got, another black dress, another lacy. Ooh, look at this lace though on the sleeves. And this one's more like a little formal. Okay, I like the top, but I don't think I like the dress. We'll see if I can pull it off because that one's looking a little questionable. And then I got 2 pairs of jeans that these kind of look like the same color, okay? But they're different cuts, and I only have 1 pair of jeans currently that's this color. I just want to let you know that mostly everything that I got was under $10, and I'm sure I had a coupon because I don't like to shop unless I have a coupon. Kind of skinny. What the hell is this? There's like a white mark on the butt. That's the thing about, it looks like paint or something. I don't know. Can you see? Alright, let's actually get to trying on this stuff. Okay, so I have these on. It says 27, but this is not working because they're too tight, so that was a waste. Again, I don't know. This is just a basic shirt. Hopefully you can't see. Okay, I don't have a bra on, so it's a medium. It's just like a basic casual, you know, fall dress. And I don't have any like long sleeve dresses, so that's what I wanted. I think I'm gonna keep it like it's whatever. Like, let's just try on this red number. What really attracted me to it was the color red because I like red. And I saw lace and I was like, ooh, this might be fire. Oh my gosh. I can't zip any of this. And like, this could be like a Christmas party or, you know, just when I want to get like super dolled up. Oh, it's not zipping. Okay, I hope that means that I'm like not too big for this. Somebody needs to zip it. Here's what it looks like on. It's short. I don't know, I think it could be cute. But again, I will never know until I get a mirror. All I have to look back on is this camera. Okay, so this next one, I don't know about that last one. Basically, I'm in the theme of like dramatic sleeves. I feel like I could be like a little witch in this. I like this one. But then again, like I don't have a mirror in here, so I really don't know. but this is what we're thinking. I think you like some boots, a leather jacket. It's giving me like fall vibes. Okay, are we focused? I'm pretty sure let me take off these pants so we can get the full look. I'm pretty sure I zipped. Oh, this is a medium, I think, or I don't know. Okay, so here's the first dress. Is it cute or not? I feel like the sleeves look cute, but my boobs feel dumb. Okay, these fit perfectly. Let's try with the top. Clearly, I know I need like a black bra. Oh yeah. Or a cami to go with it, but the jeans fit. They're a little short. Okay, what's going on? Hold up now. All right, let's get situated here. I'm liking how it, for what I can see, I like the lace. Probably not with these jeans though. Yeah, no, definitely not with these jeans. They kind of look like high waters. But I think I like this shirt if I was wearing black or like tan. Like all black. I don't know. What do we think? These are just black pants. We don't really need to see what they look like, do they? I'll just put them on over the jeans. But I don't think this outfit would be like cute together. I don't think so. I feel like maybe like light denim with this shirt, or some of the things that you buy on ThredUP are final sale, and some of the things you can return, which is nice. So that concludes the try on for this box. Like, some things are hit or miss, and that's what I like about ThredUP. It's all in the fun of finding thrifts. I like the way this top looks. Like, on camera, I think it looks nice. Where am I going in this? We'll figure it out. I don't think the pants go with this outfit, though. It's a fun shirt, though. Right? Bye, ding-dongs.
For anybody, don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all.